Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to see your listing on Facebook Marketplace, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer. Move your mouse to your usual browser, like Chrome or Edge, and click it. In the address bar at the top, type facebook.com and press enter, then wait for the page to load. If you are asked to log in, enter your email or phone and your password, then click the blue login button. Once you are logged in, you should see your Facebook homepage with the news feed in the middle. Now look for the Marketplace option. On a computer, this usually appears on the left side of the screen as a small storefront icon with the word Marketplace next to it. Move your mouse over that Marketplace option and click once. After a moment, the page will change to the Marketplace area, with different items for sale showing in the center. A common mistake here is clicking an ad or suggested item in the feed instead of the Marketplace icon, so make sure you see the Marketplace label on the left before you click. Next up, we want to open your own selling section. At the top left area of the Marketplace page, find the word Selling, usually near options like Buying or Browse. Move your mouse to Selling and click it once. The screen will switch from showing random items to options related to things you are selling. If nothing seems to change, check that you actually clicked Selling and not another word nearby. After that, click your listings. In the Selling area, you should see a menu or list that includes your listings as one of the options. Move your mouse to your listings and click it. Once you click, the main part of the screen will refresh to show a list of all the items you have put up for sale. If your list looks empty, it usually means you have no active listings under the account you are currently logged into. With that ready, look through the list to find your listing. You will see each item shown as a small box, usually with a photo, a title, and a price. Scroll up or down if you have several items, using the mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right. Take your time and read the titles carefully so you do not confuse similar items, like 2 different chairs or 2 phones with similar names. If you recently posted the item, it will usually appear near the top of the list. Once you have located the correct item, click the listing to view it. Move your mouse over the small box that shows the photo and title of that item. Click anywhere inside that box, for example on the photo or the title. The screen will change to show a larger view of that single listing with more details visible. If clicking does nothing, check that your internet connection is working and try clicking again on the same listing tile. Now carefully check the photos, title, price, description, and location that are shown. You should see the photos near the top, often with arrows to move between them if you added more than one. Below or beside the photos, you will see the title of your item, the price you set, and the main description you typed. Slightly further down, you will see the location, often shown as a city or an approximate area. If you spot a mistake, such as a wrong price or a typo, remember you can usually come back to this same screen later and use the edit option on this listing to correct it, and those edits normally update for buyers within a short time. To see how it appears to buyers, open the listing and review the public listing page. On the listing view you already opened, you are now looking at the same layout that buyers see when they click your item in Marketplace. Scroll slowly from top to bottom so you can see exactly what a buyer would notice, like missing photos or unclear text. One useful detail is that most buyers only look at the first photo and the first line or 2 of the title. So if something key is missing here, you may want to come back and adjust those details later from the same listing page. You have now opened Facebook Marketplace on your computer, found your selling section, and viewed your listing exactly as buyers see it. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.